Hello everyone. Today we have a job update from United and it is associate data scientist role and the job location will be Gurugram. And if you scroll down, you can look at the qualification here. In that we have required and preferred qualification. Let's look into the required one. You should have done a bachelor's degree in engineering, technology, computer science, statistics, operational research, industrial engineering, applied mathematics and economics, and you can have like 0 to 2 years of experience for this role, and you should have a strong operational research fundamental like LP, MILP, MDP, metastatistic, such as GA and ACO and etc. You should be legally authorized to work in India without any sponsorship, and also you should get selected in the interview to meet the job qualification. You should be reliable, punctual, and these are the essential things for this position. So then if you look at the preferred here, they are asking for operational research and industrial engineering as a preferred qualification here, and also you need to have experience working with the solvers like Gurobi, CPLEX and etc. Then you should have a experience designing the algorithm, heuristics, or solving the formulation efficiently in an industry or academic setting. Then you should have the experience with the C++, Java, or and Python or a structured programming languages. Then you need to have a theoretical and practical expertise in AI and ML modeling. So these are the things that is required for this role as a qualification, and I have explained you everything. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to help you out. And also, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.